Past 10 years, I've been chasing different ways to build income. I've opened brick and mortar stores, launched online brands, built a marketing agency that helps businesses grow, and the past 7 years, I've spent every day deep in digital marketing. But here's the truth. I'm also a husband and a father of two. And what I've learned is I don't want to be a slave to my businesses. I want freedom, time with my kids, time with my wife. Over the years, I've seen that making more money isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, finding vehicles that scale without stealing your life away. So today, I want to talk about what I believe is the best way to build income online in 2025. I've tested almost everything. Let's be honest about the options most people hear about. First one is drop shipping. It sounds easy, but usually means razor thin profit, hours glued to a laptop trying to outsmart massive stores, not to mention customer support, returns, and refunds. It's truly not the most ideal way to spend your time. And the next one is brick and mortar. Oftentimes, when I hear people want to start a business, they think of a brick and mortar store, which is great if you have a proven location and capital, but the overhead is crushing. Rent, staff, insurance, licenses, one wrong move and you're upside down. I've been there and I've done that. The next one is Amazon FBA. It's stricter than ever, you don't control your account, and one policy change can wipe you out overnight. Another popular one is real estate. Powerful but slow. You need capital, contracts, networking, and time. And right now, deals are competitive and expensive. Anybody who tells you that you can get in with no money is halfway truthful. You can get into some deals with little to no cash, but typically what that means is that you're using other people's cash. If you fail to make those payments back to whoever lent you the money, you're the one that's gonna take a hit. I've done versions of all of these. They work, but the trade-off is time, complexity, and risk. And nowadays, my goal isn't just to earn more. It's to earn more without sacrificing my family or my sanity. So where does this leave us in 2025? Drum roll. Just kidding. TikTok changed the game. It's not just an entertainment app anymore. It's basically a search engine with one of the fastest growing marketplaces in the world built right inside of it. People now search TikTok before Google for everything. What to buy, how to fix, what's trending, and TikTok Shop has created an even playing field. Whether you're a brand, a side hustler, or just someone sharing your life, you can plug into a system that's already built for commerce. No huge upfront cost, no massive ad spend, just get noticed, and it's working. Sales on TikTok Shop in the US doubled last year. But here's the catch. More sellers are coming. It feels crowded because a lot of people just copy what's trending and hope that it works. That's the fastest way to burn out. The winners aren't guessing, they're using data. And that's where FastMoss comes in. They're the ones sponsoring this video. FastMoss is the #1 TikTok analytics tool I personally use. It shows what's trending right now, but more importantly, what's selling. I can search any category and instantly see the top shops, the top creators making sales, live streams that are blowing up, and even what ads are performing. It also has a built-in AI that can help you write better scripts, cut your videos for higher performance, and study top competitors. This saves me hours of guesswork. I'm not just scrolling and guessing. I'm seeing what works and making smarter decisions for my time and my money. If you want to try it, you can use the link below and use code ZEUS50 for a special discount. Next, I'm going to discuss a 5-point framework that I personally use to help me decide on what products or niche is worth my time. The #1 point is demand. Are sales and views going up right now? That's a question I have to ask. Second is competition. How many other shops are selling it? Third, creators. Are people making content about it? If not, there's potential room there. Four, price and reviews. Are people happy buying at this price and this product? And the fifth is problems, returns, quality issues, bad shipping. I highly suggest you skip those headaches. I run every new idea through this quick test. It's simple but powerful, and with tools like FastMoss, it takes minutes instead of weeks. My honest advice to get started: if you want to start an online income stream, start small and test before going all in. Use creators. TikTok makes it easy to partner and send them your product so that they can review, unbox, and promote your product. And then the next one is super easy. You make content that's true to you. The algorithm rewards authenticity. The last piece of advice is a bit more advanced and not a lot of people talk about it, but my suggestion is that you build your own customer list early. Get emails, SMS, so you're not dependent on one platform forever. TikTok could get banned, which we saw several months ago, and that's the end of that platform. But it doesn't mean that it's the end of commerce online and business. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. That's the exact approach I use now after a decade of trial and error. You don't have to learn from your own mistakes, you can learn from other people's mistakes. So finally, is TikTok Shop saturated? In my humble opinion, based on data, evidence, experience, no. The simple answer is no. It's just more professional now. The easy wins are gone, but the opportunities are huge for people who work smart and use data. There's no more guesswork. There's a bunch of tools available at your disposal that can definitely set you up on the right path to help you achieve what you want. You don't have to guess anymore. You don't have to question, is this video good? Is this script? How do I write a script? There's literally AI that does all of it for you. If this was helpful, like this video and share it with a friend who's been looking for a way to earn income online. And if you're serious about exploring TikTok Shop, check out FastMoss. My link and code Zeus50 are in the description below. I'm all about helping you build income without losing your freedom. I'm personally doing it so I can spend time with my wife and kids, and I want the same freedom for you too. Thanks for watching. Leave your questions down in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. This is Zeus or Daz. Peace.